Hello! Today we're going to be showing you how to correctly plunge a toilet. To start, we need to make sure you're using the correct plunger. A common mistake people make is assuming that this plunger is used for toilets, when really it should be used to unclog sinks. You can see by the wide flat hole on the plunger that this was designed for a sink and not a toilet. The correct toilet plungers have a smaller, more pliable opening that allows it to create a seal around the toilet hole. Older toilets have a round toilet outlet that a standard toilet plunger will work great for. A majority of newer toilets, however, have an elongated outlet that requires a flexible plunger to get a good seal to effectively plunge. Due to the pliability of the rubber, the Beehive makes a tight seal on the toilet hole, and the larger size allows for more pressure with less effort, making it the most powerful plunger on the market. Once you have the necessary plunger, begin by inserting your plunger at a 45-degree angle to allow water to enter into the plunger head. This is important because it prevents splashing, as well as preventing water from overflowing when the toilet bowl is full. Next, tilt the plunger to an upright angle in order to seal the plunger to the bowl outlet and begin the push-pull movements to unclog the trapway. Even though most people think the power is in the push, it is really in the pull movement. For the most effective and clear plunge, it is best to pulse. You want to push and pull without breaking the seal of the plunger to the hole. Once the toilet is unclogged, proceed by flushing the toilet to make sure the trapway is cleared. Now that you have all the knowledge, happy plunging!